guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, amenities and landmark also. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Different categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book